Well, voila, what do you think? Don't get on your clothes. See? I'm thinking. Looks new again. He's ready to fly. Welcome back. Good afternoon. This is like day 3 of this project. I figured it would take a while. I was trying to find a piece of pipe. Looking around, I checked around the garage. Finally ended up going to the hardware and buying a piece of pipe. It's an 1.25 inch pipe nipple. 6 inches long. Of course, it was too big to fit down in there, so I had to turn it down. Anyways, I put it on a lathe, throw it down about 50 thousandths. Now, this thing here will fit right down in that tube. I'll show you what I did. I also got some white paint and painted the flagpole. Put a nice white primer on there. This will fit down in just like so. It'll fit in the other one too. What I'll do then is drill a hole, one in this side, one in this side, and that way it'll make it one piece. As I'm doing now, I'm getting ready to drill a hole. I also painted my eagle. The eagle was up there. The one that broke, well, I fixed it. I found the glue gun. I painted it. I'll go out here in the light where we can see it. Nice and gold metallic paint. Looks new again. He's ready to fly. Anyways, let me get this hole drilled. Get it started here. That was a pilot hole. I'm going to go to a 1/4 inch hole. Okay. Now, a couple of bolts here. That's a 2 inch. Perfect. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll finish my putting my eagle on my post. I got it all painted up. I got a new flag on order. Should be in a couple days, I hope. If not, I have the old one I can put on if I have to before Memorial Day. Anyways, let me get the other hole drill on here and we can keep going. Okay, this is kind of a last minute thing here, last minute thought. What I want to do is, because this is steel and it's not treated, not painted, it's going to rust. Any moisture it gets is going to rust. Any water it gets is going to rust. Now this flagpole has already got some holes in it. Rust holes starting to come through. So what I want to do is keep it from rusting solid again. So I have some of this stuff in my garage. It's never sees. This is actually a copper never sees, but it'll work. Never sees, never sees. I'm putting this on that tube, both sides of it, so that it won't seize to the pipe. And then next time I want to take it apart, it'll be easier to take it apart. See? I'm thinking. This is just basic copper never sees. You smear it on here a little bit. I'll do the bottom side. This is just going to be whenever I want to change this thing. I originally was going to talk about putting a hinge on here or some kind of a thing I could pull a pin and drop it down. I could have done that. But what I found was this application would cost me as much for the hinge as it would be to buy a whole new flagpole. Now, put this down in here, find my hole, put my bolt in there. put it in backwards, maybe. We turn it one time and see. Yep, there it goes. Lines up, bolt is in, nut is on. There we go, good to go. What do you think? Don't get it on your clothes. Okay, we'll do the other side now. Okay, here we go again. Me and my little buddy. Here's my little buddy. One last walk down through here real quick. I'll show you what I've done. Took the pole down, paint job, new rope, new hardware. Painted the eagle up. New hardware Pear, I painted him too. I had to do some fixing and repairing on the base here. Got the base all prepped. Never sees, ready to go in. Voila, what do you think? How's that? Button this thing down, wipe off the never sees, and call it a day. Wait for a new flag.
All right, I just wanted to show you the new flag on the pole. Looks pretty nice there, doesn't it? The wind's blowing. That looks very nice. He did a great job, didn't he?
Give me a thumbs up, like the video. Thanks.